close to me. Maybe it's because she just likes feeling free. That's what I think. I think she lives around here, that's all I know. I don't want to interfere and ruin the show. Where did she go? I hope she's not cold.